Here's a little peek into my morning routine as a mom of 4. I usually get up before the kids do, pour my cup of coffee, and then go sit down for a little while before breakfast. I have been trying to put in a load of laundry before I leave the house in the morning, and this has helped so much because I will then come home in the afternoon or whenever and put it in the dryer, and then I'm able to go immediately put the clothes away while they're still hot.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
The kids have been liking cheese and crackers, and I've been getting these meat sticks.
You and me just know how it feels when we fall.
Love you, sweetie. Have a good day at school. Love you.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up.
Loving these rosemary crackers. With Thanksgiving behind us now, we do have some leftover turkey to get rid of. So we decided we would make some pho to use up some of that turkey. We usually obviously put chicken or beef, but this worked out just fine. So we started with some mushrooms in the pot, and then now I'm going to cut garlic. My husband started making our dogs dog food, and he has been loving it so much. When he makes the next batch, I will show you guys how he's doing it.